Hello, thanks for watching. This week I just thought I'd do a short video just to give you an idea of what I've been doing for the last couple of days. I've been thinking about making Chinese balls similar to the photo just that you can see now. So I've been turning some balls. The next stage will be to make a few chucks and jigs so that I can start to turn the holes and continue on with the balls. So this video is just about making the balls, and then I'll make another video once I start doing a bit more work on them. A couple of balls I made out of cypress pine, and then the last couple I've been making out of ornamental pear. It's a beautiful wood, nice soft wood. The measurements of the balls needs to be 62 millimeters, so I was able to get them down to 62 millimeters. I used a jig that my good father Alan made a few years ago. It worked fairly well on the pear and the cypress. So that's about all I can tell you. I'll continue in the next couple of weeks making a couple of jigs and a couple of chucks, and I just need to buy a couple of tools. I'm always buying tools, I don't know why. Must be part of wood turning. You always got to be buying tools or sandpaper, all sorts of things. You need them, of course. The next video that I'll be showing will be a heap of different types of wood that I put together with a bit of resin and turned it into a ball. Anyway, hope you enjoy this little video. I'll see you next week. Cheerio.